Yo, what's up, Vibelings today? I'm unboxing the legendary AppSumo Black Friday Bundle, and trust me, this year's lineup is absolutely insane. Let's crack this open and see what $49 gets you. Inside, you get 5 powerhouse AI tools: Reclaim, Hostinger, Pica, Emergent, and Bolt. You get 1-year access to every tool. No monthly fees, just $49 for the whole stack. Here's a quick breakdown of what's in the bundle. Hostinger lets you spin up a website in minutes, super fast, and no hassle. You can literally get your site live in record time and focus on your business, not your hosting. Pica gives you next-level AI design, instant mockups, polished visuals, and pro assets. It's perfect for creators who want their graphics to pop without spending hours in design tools. Emergent helps you build apps with AI, scaffold logic, export code, and launch faster. Bolt automates your workflows, connects your tools, and saves you hours without endless coding. And Reclaim brings AI calendar magic, auto-schedules your tasks, adds focus blocks, and helps you get your time back. From my hands-on expiry, and Hostinger setup was lightning fast. My site was live in record time. Pica made my graphics pop, just drag, drop, and you're done. Emergent handled the hard stuff, let the AI do the heavy lifting. Bolt's automations worked right away, huge time saver. Reclaim organized my week, more focus and less chaos. When it comes to performance, Hostinger sites load super fast. Pica and Emergent's AI outputs were sharp, just needed a few quick tweaks. Reclaim's scheduling literally freed up 2 afternoons this week. So who's this for developers who want code snippets and exportable assets? Entrepreneurs who need quick sites, funnels, and launch-ready projects. Small business owners who want affordable hosting, pro designs, and automation power. The price is just one low AppSumo fee for the whole year, way better than buying everything separately. Just a heads up, it's 1-year access only, so plan renewals or migrations ahead of time and check integration and API limits before you dive in. My take, this is practical, cost-effective, and perfect for rapid launches. If you're building, scaling, or hustling, grab this toolkit. It's especially great for agencies and side founders on a budget. Remember, it's not a lifetime deal, so make that year count. Want to get it? Check out the link in the description below. Black Friday deals like this don't last. These bundles always sell out. Honestly, 5 integrated AI tools, 1 tiny price, and a whole year of real productivity gains. Check out the link in the description and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting info like this.